In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically set contacts as marketing using forms and workflows in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll begin by configuring the form that will create or update contacts, and then build a simple workflow that flips their marketing contact status automatically. This is useful when you want to ensure leads collected through a particular form are treated as marketing contacts for campaigns and tracking. Open HubSpot and go to the Marketing menu, then to Lead Capture, and finally to Forms. Here you can either edit an existing form or create a new one. When you're in the Form Editor, head to the Form Settings, usually located under the Options tab. Look for the setting labeled Set New Contacts as Marketing Contacts, and enable it for this specific form. Turning this on means any new contact created by submissions to this form will be flagged as a marketing contact immediately. A tip here, double-check the rest of your form options, such as follow-up emails and notifications, so your submission behavior matches your workflow expectations. Next, move to the Automation menu and open Workflows. Choose to create a new contact-based workflow. Name it clearly so you and your team understand its purpose at a glance. For the enrollment trigger, select Form Submission and pick the exact form you configured earlier. You can set the criteria broadly, for example by choosing any form submission, or narrow it to specific conditions, depending on how selective you want the workflow to be. Keeping the trigger precise avoids inadvertently enrolling unrelated contacts. After the trigger is set, add an action by clicking the plus icon. From the action list, choose Set Marketing Contact Status. Then set the value to Set as Marketing and save the action. This action ensures that when a contact meets the form submission criteria, their marketing status is updated automatically. Before activating the workflow, review the enrollment settings and any additional options like suppression lists or re-enrollment triggers. This is a good moment to test the whole flow with a sample submission to confirm the contact is created and marked as marketing. Once everything looks correct, turn the workflow on. That's the complete process. By combining the form-level setting with a simple workflow action, you create a reliable, automated way to mark form-generated contacts as marketing contacts, streamlining your marketing operations and keeping your contact management consistent.